Guys, am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Please let me know in the chat box. Guys, am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Guys, am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Can you hear me? Okay, fine. Okay, guys, let's start the session now. Fine, guys. Wait a second, guys. Okay, guys. Yesterday I was explained about two pointers. Guys, what is mean by two pointers? Let's suppose there is a two elements. I mean, two indexes, start and end. There are the two indexes. These are changing every time. Based on this relation, we are going to be achieve the exact output. So that's why we called as a two pointers. I hope you clear, guys. Yesterday I was explained about only introduction. Today we'll solve the real problems. Okay, guys. Guys, I have given a one array. Guys, I have given one array. Let's suppose 4, 7, 2, 3, 9. I want to reverse this array. Just I want to reverse this array. Usually, what does it mean by reversing? Reversing means if there is an element in the start position, that should be replaced to the end position. Right, guys? That is we called as a reverse. So let's suppose there is an array with the indexes, let's suppose 4, 7, 2, 3, 9. Guys, yesterday I have discussed about some basic things, right? Swap and other things. Those are very important, guys. Okay, guys. This is the input array. Here the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, I have taken the 2 pointers. That is, this is the start pointer. I have taken this is the end pointer. End pointer. So what does it mean by reverse of this one? Start value or end value is going to be swap these values. And what will happen next? Start is going to be increment by 1. End is going to be decrement by 1. When these are going to be met at some place, we no need to, we can stop the swap operation. Right, guys? Guys, understand how we are going to do this? Guys, always remember when there is, you have taken a index as a 0, that means you have to perform the operation mostly increment operator. If you taken one index as a like end, that means length dot minus 1. So what you have to do, guys? You have to decrement that one. You have to remember, guys, most of the guys confused here. If what happen if we index value, if you decrement, let's suppose you have started with 0, if you have decremented, then start value will be minus 1. So what will happen? We will get a compile time error, array out of bound index error. So same thing as if you take an end index as a array dot length minus 1, if you do increment this one, what will happen? Same array index goes out of the bound. Right, guys? I hope you understand this one. Guys, this implementation is very, very simple and very useful while we solving the medium level questions. Okay, guys. I have given a one array. Given a one array. I have taken start index. Start index is always 0. End index array dot length minus 1. Guys, why I have taken these things 0 and length minus 1? Because we have to start from the 0. We have to swap with the end. Last value. First supposed to be last and last supposed to be first. So that's why I have taken like this. And here every time start value is going to be changed and end value is going to be changed. So that's why I have taken the while loop here. While loop here. Guys, check this. What's supposed to be condition? Guys, check here. Once they met at some point, should we continue or should we stop? We need to stop. We need to stop. Why we should not continue, guys? What will happen if continues? Again, swap operation will perform and it will be replaced with the original positions. Guys, understand? Yes, guys. So that's why we have to, this condition supposed to be, we have to analyze before going to be actual implementation. Start less than or equal to n. Right, guys? So what we have to do? We have to swap. We have to swap. How we are going to be swap? We have to send the array and start value and end value. Guys, yesterday I have already explained about the swap, how we are going to perform swap. That's why I have not written the 3 lines of lines here. That is temp. Those things I am not written because yesterday I have already explained you about swap. You have to, while I am explaining the swap, swap means you have to think about that one. Yesterday I already told you here. Yesterday I already told you here. Already yesterday I have given explain about this one, how swap will perform. We have to take temp to A to B. I mean A to temp, B to A, and temp to B. So same way, that's why I'm not going to be implement here. I'm just telling you swap is going to be happen like this. So after what should I do? So start value we have to increment. How much we have to increment? We have to increment by 1. Why only 1? Because in arrays, indexes will be incremented by 1, 0, 1 like that only, right? So that's why what I have to do for n? N equal to minus minus. So what will happen, guys? This one, I hope you this is very simple one and you have understood. I think so. Guys, have you any doubts regarding this one? Please let me know, because this is very basic and based on this simple thing only we are going to be solve very high and medium level problems. You guys understood, right? Have any other queries regarding this one? Please let me know. Okay. Guys, check this one. Reverse an array. Guys, guys, you can see my screen, right? This is visible, I hope. What I have taken, guys, here I have taken a one array here. Guys, you guys have to remember one thing. What is the function of the any particular thing? Here I have taken a main. Main duty is to call the my function. What is my function here? My function is actually it consists of original logic. Original logic. Guys, I don't recommend you to implement the logic inside the main. You should not do like that. You have to take a separate method to do actual logic. Here you can see I have taken a separate method as a reverse here. I am calling the reverse method from the main. Guys, understand? This is a good programming practice, because two things we can understand from this. First thing, the swap. First thing is like readability, and second thing, if you have faced an issue, if you find any bug, you can easily solve that one. So that's why we have to take always separate functions. Okay, guys. Here, take guys. I have taken this one. This is one array, and I have taken start value and end value. I am going to perform this operation only start less than n, less than or equal to n. Guys, understand? Guys, what will happen if, let's suppose, here the no while loop, if I take like this, for let's suppose we can check what will happen here. Int I equal to 0, sorry, I equal to start, I less than or equal to array dot length I plus plus. Guys, see what will happen in this case if you try to print. See, guys, see here input array I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But after reverse also it comes as the same output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will happen? It is actually reversed one time. And after that, once they meet also, it again we are going to iterate. So that's why again it is replaced to original position. So that's why we have to do what the thing here. Here we have to take once they met now, so no need to do any operation. Guys, understand? I hope you clear on this one, guys. Guys, this is the very basic thing and very important thing, guys. We are going to solve number of problems on based in this pattern. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this one. Wait, guys. Okay, guys. The next problem, Guys, I hope you clear, right? Please let me know how I have done the swap operation, how I have done the reverse of the array. I hope you understand this one. Guys, this is the very basic question, guys. Usually you won't get the same type of questions anywhere. But based on this one only, you will get the questions. They will give you like this. Let's suppose they have given one array. They have given one array 4, 7, 3, 1, 10, like that. They have given one array, but they asked you to implement the algorithm for only odd index supposed to be reversed. So what does it mean? What is mean by odd index and even index? Guys, please tell me what is mean by even index and odd index. Yes. Let's suppose here. Yes. Here which are divisible by 2. That means which is the percentile 2 equal to 0. That means that is even. This is very basic, guys. I hope you already know about this one. Equal to 1 means odd. Yes. So what they may ask? They may ask to reverse only in odd indexes. So how we are going to be perform this operation using the 2 pointers? I will take as a start, and I will take as a end. What supposed to be start value, guys? Guys, please let me know. Start should I take as a 0 or 1? What should I take? Here only odd indexes. Is 0 is odd index, guys? It is not odd. So 1 is odd index. First odd index 1. But what about the end value? End value we are going to be take array dot length always. I will tell you why we have to take this one. Sometimes I will show you one example here. 47310. Guys, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, here you can see the last index is here. Last index is even index. Even index. I will give you the another example. 4, 7, 3, 1, 10, 11. Guys, this is odd index. Guys, understand this one? So that's why we already know starting point, starting always be start with the even, but we can't guarantee the last index. We can't guarantee last index maybe even, maybe odd. So that's why what we have taken, I have taken end value array dot length minus 1. So now I am going to do one operation. One operation. What that is? Guys, check this, guys. Start less than, and this is the common thing. Start less than or equal to is common thing. Then what I have to do? I want to check first whether end is even or odd. Right, guys? How we are going to check? If end percentile 2 equal to 0. What does that mean, guys? That means it is odd. So how we are going to be changed to even to odd? We have to just decrement by 1. Guys, understand how I have changed? Guys, I hope you understand how I have changed. Yes. Then we know we got the start point as a odd index, and we got here end also odd position, odd index. Then we are going to do same operation. What that operation? Swap of array start and end. Guys, here what should I do? how much time I have to increment the start, how many times I have to decrement the end. Guys, here you know already. Let's suppose 10 is, let's suppose there is a 9. 9 is odd. What is the before element which is odd? Is 8 or 7? 7. Guys, understand this one? So we have to decrement by 2. That means minus 2. And we have 1, 2, 3. 1 when it is going to be odd, guys, we have to add 2. Guys, understand? So that's why I'm taking here start equal to start plus 2. Same way end equal to n minus 2. Guys, I hope you understand this one. Guys, we have to, this is the only basic we have learned before, like how to swap and what to swap. Here what you have done, we have taken the one element, that element we are going to be checked, that index we are going to be checked, even or odd. This is the very basic. In the how actually questions is going to be framed. There is a very small basic questions, like this is the one question to check for even or odd, even or odd. This is the very basic question, basic thing. And to reverse an array is very basic. They have added these two things to given as a one question, then you may feel some difficult. Easy plus easy, not always easy, guys. It may difficult. When it will be difficult, if you don't know, don't have clear idea about basics, then only you may feel difficult. If you know about basics, you may feel very easy. Very easy. Guys, I hope you understand. Guys, I hope you understand. Guys, why I am telling this? Everything, because while going to be solve the next questions, we are using this pattern. So that's why I am telling you. Yes, I'm going to tell you that one also. No need to worry, guys. I'm going to explain every question, like every aspect of these things, like arrays, strings, and matrices, dynamic programming, and everything I'm going to be explaining in these 2 weeks. You are going to be solve around 150 plus questions, and I will give around like 100 plus as a practice question. So definitely you will be easily clear any product based company, guys. No need to worry. Yes. Guys, last time they have given a one question like this. Let's suppose they have given it like this. Guys, I'm going to explain that is while I'm explaining about strings, guys. No need to worry. I'm not going to explain this one. Mr. Karthik, can you? Yes. Okay, guys. Guys, this is the, I'm going to one assignment question. That is you have to solve by yourself, guys. The same question only. They have given one array. Let's suppose given an array. You have to reverse only even positions, even places. Guys, this is your assignment, guys. Please like take a screenshot or something, and after this class, when you have a time, try to solve this question, guys. The one thing is clear. I'm going to be explain everything, but if you want to get into the job, you have to practice a lot, guys. Then only you will be able to solve any question in any exam, any company. That thing is important. Okay, guys. Guys, I will give you one simple thing. Let's suppose Yesterday I have explained how to calculate the sum of an array, right? You have to do this one as well, guys. Multiplication of array also. This is very important because there is a one medium level question like product of an array except that particular element. If you know the multiplication, this one I'm going to be explain that. So that's why I'm asking you. This is the your assignment, guys. Multiplication of the array. Guys, the next question, like they have given one array, guys. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1. I want to check out, like check frequency of every element. Frequency of every element. Guys, how we are going to be do this one? So in this, yes, we can use the hash map. That is okay. I'm not going to be solve this question using the hash map here because I will explain while doing that thing. Now I'm going to be use only arrays. How we have to do this one, guys? They will in this question they will give uh some hints like only it array consists values up to only 9, 0 to 9, like that they will give. So they will give some hint in every question, guys. They may ask you to like without using hash map. They may say like this, without using hash map. Using hash map. So guys, so at the time if you see this type of questions, you can ask the examiner to like, can I use extra space? Yes, can I use extra space? Yes. Can you, if we said okay, then you are going to be create a one extra array like this int like frequency equal to new int of 10. Guys, why I have taken size is 10? Because it is going to be start 0 to 9, right? So total are 10. So that's why I have taken here 10. I hope you understand. Now I'm going to repeat traverse into array. How I'm going to traverse? Int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Guys, here check this one. This is very important thing, guys. Guys, what is mean by array here? Array is this one 1, 2, 1, 3. This one is array, right? Guys, here one array is there. Suppose here 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. Let's suppose this is the array. This is the array. What will be index? What are the indexes for this one? These are the indexes, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have created a one new array, okay, right? 0 to 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and 9. Guys, I have created a one array with the empty. So what will be the default values to the empty array, guys? Empty int array default values will be zeros. I hope you already know about this one. Default values will be at zeros. Guys, what I'm what I'm going to do now, I just going to be get the element from this array. Let's suppose this is the input array. I get the element of the index. Let's suppose 0 index. It will be the, what is the 0 index value, guys? 1. I'm going to do one thing here. This empty array is the new array. New array. I comes to that index. This is actually 0 is the value of the input array. But what I will do, I will comes with this index. I will comes to this value, take it as a year index here, and I am going to be increment the value here. Let's suppose here 0 is there, I am going to be increment by 1. Guys, understand how I am doing? Here actually in this array, those are values, but those values is going to be in indexes for the new array. Now it comes to 2. Initially I value 0. That's why I comes to get the value of the 0 index, that is 1. That 1 is actually index of the this new array. So that's why I have incremented here. Now I value will be 2. What is the value of the first index is 2. So that 2, this input 2 here is going to be index here. Index 2, what is the value here? 0. So I am going to be increment by 1. Guys, understand this one? Let's suppose here I value is 2 here in input index, input array. Second index, what is the value? 1. That 1 is going to be index here, right? Here it will comes to here. What is the first index value is 1. So I am going to be increment that 1. Guys, understand how I am doing? Now I value is 3 here. What is the value of third index here? 4. That 4 is index of the new array. Here I am going to be increment that value. Here 0. So that's why I am going to be increment the value. I hope you understand how I am doing this one. And the fourth index, what is the value here? 3. 3 is going to be index here. Here this one. What is the value of this third index in the new array? That is 0. So I am going to be increment this one. Guys, understand this one? Now fifth index value here 2. That 2 is actually index of this new array. Here actually, what is the value here? 1. It's going to be increment by 1. So that's why it is 2. Guys, I hope you understand this one. And what is the sixth value here? Sixth index value is 1. And it's come, this 1 value is actually index of the new array here. So I'm going to be increment now with value 2. Guys, check guys for third. Guys, understand guys? So in this way, I'm going to check 1 value 3, 2 value will be 2, 3 will be 0, 1, 4 will be 1. Guys, understand this one, how I have done? Guys, this is very, very important, guys. Sometimes in a question, they may ask like without using hash map, they may give you 2 strings. They may ask you to check whether these are anagrams or not without using hash map. They may give you like this. So that time you have to follow this approach. Guys, I hope you understand. Okay, let's come to here and we can go to implement how we are going to be do. Guys, first I will take the value. How I'm going to take the value? Int val equal to array of I. So it gives the actual value, right? It gives the actual value. What we have think here? This value is going to be index in new array. So how that will be? New array will be called as the frequency, right? Frequency of val. Guys, understand this one? So I'm going to be increment this time every time. So I have to take plus plus. Why I have taken plus plus, guys? Let's suppose there is a equal to 10. A plus plus means what does it mean, guys? A equal to a plus 1. In the same way, the frequency of val plus plus means frequency of val plus 1. Guys, I hope you understand this one. How I have done? Guys, clear guys? Guys, please let me know. Super guys. Okay guys. They will give you one question like this guys. They will give you two arrays. Let's suppose this is the array 1. Let's suppose 1, 3, 5, 2, 2. And they have given another array 2 equal to 1. Sorry, this is 2, 2, 3, 5, 1. They may ask you to check whether these are anagram arrays or not. Guys, anagram means, what does it mean guys? When there is, let's suppose two strings is a anagram means, if the same characters are repeated the same number of times in array or not. Guys, there is two strings. Let's suppose this is hello. This is OLLEH. Let's suppose. What does it mean by anagram means? Here how many number of elements is there, characters is there. Same number of characters supposed to be there also in here in second string. Then it will be called as a anagram. Same way, they have given two arrays here and they ask you to check whether these are the anagram type or not. So what we have to do this guys? We have to do one thing here. First we have to take the frequency array. We have already know how we have to take the frequency array. They may give you one condition like values supposed to be range 0 to 9. That's why guys, we are going to be take here frequency value or frequency new array is frequency equal to new int of 10 we are taken. Now what we have to do guys? We have to iterate through the array 1. We have to array 1 we have to add, we have to increment the elements. First we are going to be, let's suppose this for loop for the array 1. Every time we are going to be increment the frequency value. Guys, understand guys? Next what? Yeah, both are same bro. No issues. Both are same. Yeah, this is we have done for the array 1. Then what should we do for array 2? Array 2, we are going to be decrement by 1. Decrement by 1. Guys, what will happen guys? Let's suppose here we have taken this array guys. 1, 3, 5, 5, 2 and 2. What will happen guys? After this frequency, after the first iteration, what will happen? It will comes like this, right? 1 is going to be 1 time, 3 is going to be 1 time, 5 1 time and 2 is 2 times. Guys, understand this one I am doing. So next iteration, what to the array 2, what I have to do? I am going to be check. I am going to be decrement by 1. So what will happen guys? This is the second array, right? 2, 2, 3, 5, 1. First it comes the 2. What will happen in second index? It's going to be decrement by 1. Guys, understand this one? And second 2, what will happen? It is going to be increment by 1. That means it's 0. And when it comes to 3, what will happen guys? Here it is going to be increment by, decrement by 1. When it comes to the 5th index, what will happen? It is decrement by 1. And first index, what will happen? It is going to be decrement by 1. Guys, understand how we are going to be implement this one? After that, what we have to do? We have to check the frequency array elements. We have to iterate through the frequency array. We have to check every element is whether equal to 0. Why? Because if let's suppose the frequency of array 1 and frequency of the array 2, all the elements is same. That means while adding the elements or remove the elements, that goes to the 0. Right guys? If that is 0, that means we call it as a anagram. If not, we are written something false or like that. So we are going to be print like that. Guys, we'll try to implement that one. We can check. As I have taken like this anagram array. I will take two arrays, guys. Int array 1, I have taken like this 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. And I have taken another array. I have taken like this. I will take the same elements, but in different, that is going to be in different index positions like this 2 comma 3, 2 comma 1 comma 3. Okay, guys, what I have to do? I need to check whether it is anagram or not. So I want to return something. If it is anagram, we will return as a true. If not, we are returning the false. That's why I have taken return type is a boolean here. I hope you understand this one. Why I have taken boolean here. I am going to be return one function. That function I called as a check. Okay, guys. I will take two arrays as a arguments here, because I need to use the two arrays. So that's why I have taken arguments as a two arrays. Yes, we are going to be do that one. I will show you what to do first. Then we are going to be do that one. We have to take one frequency array, guys. Frequency array. Frequency array we are going to be take with the 10. So 10 memory spaces is going to be created here. Guys, I hope you understand why I have taken. Now I am going to be iterate through the first array. That means array 1. Here what I am going to do, array 1 dot of I will get the value. That value is actually index of the frequency array, right? Frequency array. So guys, understand, after the first array iteration, what we get? The frequency of the elements. Now what we have to do? We have to do array second array, and this time what we have to do, guys? We have to decrement these things. Guys, I hope you understand this one. If suppose while returning, if we get anywhere is not equal to 0, what does that mean, guys? That means those two different arrays have the different frequencies, right, guys? That's why we are going to be written as a false. I hope you understand, guys. Guys, please let me know if you guys didn't understand this one. Let's check, guys. I'm going to print this one. Okay, guys. Check, guys. What it will came? It came false. Why it came false? Guys, you can see why it has come false. Here the check, guys. 2 is 2 times. 1 is 2 times. Guys, here the frequency first one is 2 times, and 2 is 2 times, and 3 is 1 time. But in second array, 1 is only 1 time, 2 is 2 times, and 3 is 2 times. Guys, frequency are same or different, guys? It's different. Frequency is different. So that's why we got as a false. Guys, understand? Here I will take different array sizes. 5. This array length is 6. This array length is 5. Even though we will get the false only, but we are doing unnecessary calculations here, because when the array size is different, is there any way to need to calculate this all the things? No need. Right, guys? Understand this one? Please let me know, guys. Guys, please let me know, guys. If array dot 1 dot length is not equal to array 2 dot length, is it necessary to calculate all the things? No need. So that's why we are going to be written directly false. Guys, what is the time complexity here and what is the space complexity here? Please let me know. Guys, please let me know, guys. Guys, what is the time complexity here and what is the space complexity here? Guys, I hope you guys see this one, right? What is the time complexity, guys? Here you have to check this one. This is will take O of n times. This is going to be take O of n times, and this is all going to be O of n times. So what does that mean? If we add these all the things, what is the final result, guys? O of n. This is time complexity. Guys, what is the space complexity of this program, guys? Here, when the guys, you have to check what is the space complexity. Space complexity is O of 1. Guys, why space complexity is O of 1? Please let me know. Guys, please let me know. Yes. If suppose array 1 length is a 1 million, let's suppose. Array 2 dot length also 1 million. Is there any increment in the frequency size, guys? No increment. So that's why space complexity is O of 1. Guys, I have already told you, while checking the problem time complexity and space complexity, you have to check two things. If input size is increasing, time is increasing or not, space is increasing or not. If not, we call it as a constant. Guys, I hope you understand this one, time complexity and space complexity of this program. Please let me know if you didn't understand still. Guys, please let me know in the chat box, guys. Yeah, we can do it. That is no issues. We can do like that also, no issues. No issues, guys. We can do, that is also fine. Same time complexity of the WASP you did, right only. Guys, here, what are the extra space I am using? They have given two inputs. As array 1, as array 2 is the two inputs they have given. What is the extra space I have taken to calculate this one, guys? Here I have taken the frequency array as extra space, right, guys? Extra space. But you have to remember one thing, when input size is increased, this frequency size is also increasing or not increasing? This frequency size is not increasing, because always be numbers, always be 0 to 9 only. Right, guys? So that's why the frequency size is always be 10. Even input size is 10, 100, 1000, whatever. The frequency size is always 10. So when there is one thing is not changing with the input is changing, that's we called as a constant. So that's why here the space is constant time. I hope you understand, guys. Kiruba, I hope you understand. Please let me know. Yeah, even though also we are not going to be change the frequency value there. The frequency array size we are not going to be changed. They may give you the in a question, they may directly give array values will be range from 0 to 9. Let's suppose array size 100 also, the elements always be must be lies between these only 0, 1, 2 like that. So 0, 1, 2, 9 only like that. That's why no need to change this space, extra space. This one extra space is always 10 only. It is constant. I hope you understand. So they will give you, that is the logic only. They will give you. If they didn't give you, they are going to be use hash map. But they explicitly tell you you should not use hash map. That's why they will give you condition like that. That is the thing, man. Every question will be have a condition. In the question, they directly tell you guys. Okay, guys. We have done this question. Fine. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, that if input size is increasing, are we changing the space? I mean, extra space. Let's suppose they have given a one array length as a 100. Let's suppose 100. But they have given a constraint like this array 100 elements also lies between 0 to only 9. Then is there any necessity to change the frequency size? No need, because it is always be values between 0 to 9 only. Guys, let's suppose one they have given 50 times, two have given 20 times, three have given 20 times, nine have given 10 times. Let's suppose we can think like that. So for this frequency, do we need to change the size of this array, frequency array size? No need, because the values they are saying clearly lies between the 0 to 9. So no need to change the frequency array. No change in a frequency, no change in anything. That means we call it as a constant. I hope you understand, guys. Yes. Okay, guys. Now the question is, next question. This is very, very important and medium level question, guys. This is medium level question, guys. The question is like segregation of zeros, ones and twos. They will give you one array, input array, they will give you like this. Yes, in this case, we are going to be use a hash map. If the Vasudev, if they've given you, they may give you one constraint. If they didn't give you the constraint like values, array values should lie between 0 to 9. If they didn't give you, that means we are going to be a hash map, but they will explicitly tell you that you should not use the hash map and values are always lies between 0 to 9. They will give you the constraint. I hope you understand, guys. Guys, the one thing, while you are going to be solve the problem, instead of directly going to the IDE, you have to check the problem clearly. They may give you hints in the problem, keywords in the question. You have to check that keyword, then you are going to be implement that one. That is the thing. If you they explicitly said you should not use the hash map, but you should use the hash map, that means your observation skills are nil. You don't have any observation skills. Then how can you expect that they give you, offer you a job? Guys, understand this one. This is very simple logic. Okay, guys. Now concentration on this one. They have given you one array like 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0. But the input they want something, guys. What they want output as? All zeros supposed to be left side. All zeros supposed to be left side. All ones supposed to be middle, and end of the thing will be twos. Means twos will be in a right side, Zeros will be on a left side and ones will be on middle. Yes, we can call it as a jet, yeah, Dutch notational flag. They in lead code they may ask you with the some color type of color sorting question like that. This is very important, guys. Based on this one, we are going to be solve a lot of questions. Okay, guys. We can do one thing here. Here actually this is array. This is the array. 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 0. Okay, guys. Guys, I will here. This is the basic 2-pointer question, guys. I have to take 3 indexes here for to get the start, I mean 0 index, and one is to represent right index, that means 2 index, and one is to represent the current index. Guys, here at what time we are going to be use the 2 pointers, guys? I already told you, like, more than one element at a time is going to be changed. That time we are going to be use the 2 pointers. Guys, understand this one? Guys, here understand one thing. If the current index value equal to 0, what I will do that time? I am going to swap the 0 index to the current index. Guys, why I have to do that one? Because my solution supposed to be all the left values supposed to be zeros. So that's why I am going to the change the 0 index values to the current index. Zeros means here I am taking as a left side. Guys, understand this one? And you have to understand one thing. If the current index value, let's suppose 2, what I have to do, guys? I have to swap with the second index to the current index. Guys, if I got a 1, what will do this time? We know if we get the 0, we know we are going to be swap with the 0 or current. If we get the 2, we are going to be swap with the right index. That means if 2 index is the right side, the right index. What we have to do if we get the 1? Guys, try to understand. There is a one number. Let's suppose there is a two numbers A and B. What type of relation it's supposed to be have? Whether it has a AB, whether A greater than B and A less than B. Guys, in the same way, here you can clearly see when it's 0, we are going to be move all the elements to this side, left side. If we get the 2, all the elements to move to the right side. Then what happened to the elements which are equal to 1? We no need to change anything. Right, guys? Because if all the zeros will come to this end, all the 2s are goes to this end, what will happen to middle one, guys? Middle ones will be 1. Guys, understand this one? I hope you understood. That's why when the value is 0, we are not going to be do any swap operation. We just move to the next current element, next current index. Guys, I hope you understand this one. Please let me know. This is very important thing, guys. This is the medium level question, guys. Please let me know in the chat box. Have you understand this one? We are going to be solve at least 3-4 questions based on these patterns today. Okay, guys, I assume you have understood this one. Okay, guys. So now it's come to the implementation. Already told you here, we have taken current element as a 0 because we have to start with 0th index. So that's why we have taken the current 0, and I have taken the one index as a 0 index. Why, guys, I am taking as a 0 index? These 0 index is try to represent the what is the 0th index position, 0 element position. So that's why this is supposed to be left side. So that's why I have taken is 1, sorry, 0. And I will take it as a 1 index as a second index. Second index. Guys, this second index values, what we have to do, I have to supposed to place all the, when value is 2, we have to swap to the right side. So that's why I have to take it as a, in this index as array dot length minus 1, the last index. Yes, this is also one type of sorting only. This is also sorting technique only. This is also one type of sorting technique only. Guys, try to understand this one. Guys, what are the common thing I have to move every element? I have to move here only current element only I have to move. If I get the 0, that 0 is replaced, then only I have to increment this one. If I have replaced the second index, I mean second number 2, then only I have to decrement this one. Guys, understand about this one? So I will take the like this 2 pointers, current supposed to be less than second index. Second index. Guys, why I have taken here? Current is supposed to be only up to second index, guys. Please let me know if you guys understand, or I will explain you again. Guys, this is an array. Let's suppose this is an array. This is an array. Guys, let's suppose these are the 0 indexes. These are the 1 indexes. These are the 2 indexes. Let's suppose when we comes to here, current will start here and it will comes to up to this point where the second index is started. That means, is it necessary to again have to check these values? No need, because the already I have started. Means I have already swapped the elements with the 2. Once we get the first 2 here, second index as a here we will reach second index and the current index. Then no need to go forward. So that condition I am going to be comes out. So that's why I have taken as a current less than second index, less than or equal to second index. I hope you understand, guys, this one. So what is the base condition? What is the case conditions here? If suppose array of current equal to 0, what we have to do this, guys? We have to swap, right? Swap of current element into 0 index. 0 index. Guys, right or wrong? Guys, understand how I'm doing this one? Let's suppose this is the, guys, this is the current and 0 index. This is the second index, guys. Guys, while doing what we have to do, first current we are going to be checked. Current here 2 is equal to 0. No. What will happen if it comes to here? Here current index value is 0. Now I am going to swap the values. Guys, understand this one? I am going to swap to this to 0 and this to 2. I hope you understand, guys, this one. That's why I am going to change the current index and 0 index. Now just tell me what will happen to the 0 index. We have already filled the 0 index. So we have to move one further. So that's why 0 index to we have to increment by 1, and the same way when again it will comes to current index, also we have to, yes, we have to current index also we have to swap one. I mean we have to increment one. Guys, understand this one? What are the other condition? Else if array of current of equal to 2. What does it mean, my guys? It is we got a second value. So we have to swap with the current index to the second index. Guys, right guys? What is the second index here? This is the second index we have taken. So when for let's suppose guys, try to understand this one. I have taken as this one 0, 1, 2. Guys, first it will come, it will encounter this one. So what we have to do? We have to swap the elements. Right guys? We are going to be swap the elements. What will happen? And 2 again it is stored here, 2 it will be stored here. But the second index is going to be decrements, guys. This time second index comes to here. Right guys? But what will happen, guys? While after the swap operation, we are not guarantee it's may 0, it's may 1, it's may 2. So that's why I am not doing to change the current value, guys. We are going to be change when it is a 2. Only I am going to be change the decrement the this second index only. Second index only I am going to be changed. Why I am not going to be change the current index, guys? We are not guaranteed because we need to swap operation. From the swap here the value comes value maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 0. So that's why I'm not doing this one. Guys, understand this one? Okay, next loop iteration, what will happen? Current value will be here only. Again it's going to be checked. What is this value? 2. Now we got a 2 value where we are going to swap with the second index. Now the values is going to be here 1, year 2. Guys, understand this one, guys? I hope you understand this. Okay, guys. Let's suppose what will happen if array of current is going to be equal to 1. Guys, we have already told you that here while explaining you when all the zeros is moved to the left side, all the 2's are moved to the right side, what will happen to the, we are going to be do any perform operation to get these values to middle? No need. Guys, I will tell you the examples. There are the 3 people are there. One gets the more, let's suppose when compare with the marks, one gets the more marks, one gets the less marks. What is the your position, guys? You will be middle only. I hope you understand. That's why I'm not doing here. When we get the one value, we are not going to be change any operation. But we have to just move the current index. Now guys, check this one, guys. After second iteration, here current value will be at the 1. So that's why we are not doing any operation. We just increment the current value. Now current value comes here. So that's why we are going to be do just current plus plus. I hope you understand, guys. Now check, guys. Again it's going to be iterate. Here current value is going to be checked. It is a 0. Current value is 0. So what will happen? Current value is 0. Swap with the current value in the 0 index value. 0 index value here only. We are not changed anything. So values is going to be shifted. If here value is 0, here value is 1. 1. So this value is going to be shift like this 1, 0 and 2. Guys, I hope you understand. I hope you clear this one. Guys, please let me know. Have you understand this question or not? Okay, guys. Guys, you have to remember one thing, guys. When you're going to be compare the elements, if the three elements, you are going to be perform some operation on the second 2 elements, then no need to perform the operation on third element because it's may indirectly or directly going to be applied on the third element. So that's why here it is not going to be move anything. I just left alone. I hope you understand this one. Guys, I will give you the implementation to you guys. Yes, that's why we have taken as a year. Condition is when it meets. After that, we no need to do that one. After what will happen, guys? After the last condition, current will be more than a second index. So no need to do it because we are already sorted the values. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, this one will be the your assignment. Now I'm going to give the assignment. You have to try to solve this one. Actually, guys, I don't have that much time to do with all the things like GitLab, GitHub, everything. But anyway, I will do after when I have a free after these sessions. Now I will have a free time. And next week, I think we are going to be get the 2 long weekends. So that time also I will try to do this thing. No need to worry, guys. I am going to be share with all the things at PDMs. I am going to solve around like a 150 plus 100 questions, right? These are 100 assignments. I will going to give you all the 250 questions with the implementations also. I'm going to be do with the brute force and normal optimal solution. Okay, guys, this is the problem as assignment. I have given one array. I have given one array. No, we don't have any swap built-in function is there. Yesterday I told you guys we have to take it as a one temp variable and temp variable initially a will be B will be temp. Yesterday I have explained you. That's why I'm not going to be again explain everything, guys. Swap means we have to understand that one. Wait, guys, I will give you that result. Okay, guys. Guys, question is they have given you one array like this. Ask you to sort an array like this. All the zeros, left supposed to be zeros, right supposed to be ones. Guys, this is the assignment, one assignment question, guys. Based on the previous question which I have explained. Guys, these questions you have to do by your own, then only you are going to be very strong at the basics, guys. Guys, this is the assignment question. Here what I have given one array, all the left supposed to be zeros and right supposed to be one. Guys, I hope you understand. And second one, guys, here you check the input, all values are ones and zeros only. Second one, second assignment, all right supposed to be zeros, all left supposed to be ones. You have to supposed to move like all zeros to the right side, all ones to the left side. These two are the assignment question, guys. You have to take a screenshot, guys, if possible. If you solve this question, these two assignments, if you solve, definitely you will be get strong in these things. Guys, I hope you understand. What to the yes, but actually in this question I'm not giving the much things, guys. I'm just giving you only two elements here, 0, 1, 2. Here I'm giving the only ones and zeros. Guys, no need to worry, guys. In the sort in array, I'm going to be give you a quick sort. That is very important thing and very easy thing. There we can learn about the actual sort, how we are going to be do that one. Guys, that's what you have to check the input, guys. In the question itself, they will give you like this. Only zeros, only ones, only twos. You have to check the question. You have to read every point, guys. Then only you will get the some what can I say? You will get the some basic idea. What is the key points here, and you based on that one you will understand. Guys, I hope you guys will do this. Okay, guys. Next question will be. They have given one array like this, guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 0, 5. Okay, guys. In this question, they asked you to move all zeros to right side. All zeros to right side. Guys, before question, there they have given only ones and twos, only ones and zeros. Here they have given different numbers and zeros. You have to move only zeros to the right. Let's solve this question. The same question how we are going to be solved. We are going to be use 2 pointers here. So start will be, I'm going to be start with 0 and I will take like n is going to be length minus 1. Okay, guys. What I will do here? Here, every time I'm going to be change the end value after this one index is going to be moved to 0. I mean right side. Then only I will going to be decrement the end value. In that way, I'm going to be the last updated end index value. Guys, we'll tell you the how we are to do this. Let's suppose they have given like this, guys, 1 0 0 1 1 1. I have taken here the start point. I have taken as a end point here. End point here. I just want to move only zeros. First, I am going to be check this value, start value. This value is not 0. So what I will do? I am going to be the increment this value. Guys, understand this one? Now what I do? I am going to be check this value. It is 0. When the condition is 0, then only I want to shift the element to the right side. So it is 0. So I am going to the shift the element is 0. Here the 1. Guys, understand? In this case, what I am going to do? I am going to do end index going to be decrement. Why? Because guys, before this element, before end value here, but after the swap operation, this element is already swapped with 0. That's why we don't need this index anymore. So that's why we are going to be decrement this one. Now it came here, but I'm not going to be change here, guys, because maybe the element left. If suppose here also 0, here also 0, what will happen, guys? 0 index will be replaced, again it will come 0. That's why only I'm going to be decrement the end index only, but I'm not touching the start value. And next iteration I'm going to be check. That time it start index again 0. I'm going to be shift with the this index value. Guys, I hope you understand. Do you understand, guys, how I am doing? I hope you understand, guys. Guys, please let me know, guys. Okay. Okay. We'll try to. Guys, here. Okay, we'll do. Guys, I have taken one array is like this. Let's suppose 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here I have taken a start index. Here start taken as a end index. Guys, this is the 2 points very basic. What to take a start index? Start index will be 0 and end index will be last element. So this is the 5. So this is the 4th index. Guys, understand how I have taken the basic things start and end? Okay, guys. Now I am going to check the values. What is the S here? Start index is 1. Sorry, 0. What is the 0th index value? It is 1. So it is not 0. So that's why I am going to be the increment the start value. Start value. Now start values comes to here. Guys, understand this one? I'm not doing any operation on the end. I'm just moving the start. After, if I'm checking the value of the index, if the index is not equal to 0, then I'm going to be change the, increment the start index. I hope you understand. Start will when if if value not equal to 0. Guys, understand? Second one, check. If 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 this index value is 0, if value equal to 0, guys, what does it mean, guys? If value equal to 0, so our aim is to move the zeros to the right side, right? So that's why we got the 0. So that's why what we have to do, guys, we have to swap the element with between the this start index to the end index. We are going to be swap with the 0 to, sorry, start to end. Okay, guys, then what I have to do, I'm going to be change the end value only, because I have already updated this last value. I have updated with 0. So that's why I'm going to be decrement this value. Guys, understand this one? End value I'm going to be decrement. పవిత్ర 2 నిమిషాలు ఫోన్ చేస్తా, క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేస్తా. Guys, understand this one? End is minus minus. Guys, I'm not going to change here start value. Why I'm not going to be change? Because here sapped value may be 0. That's why I don't know. So that's why here the start value I'm not changing, only I'm changing end value. Okay, guys. In the next iteration, what will come? Again, it's going to be check the start value. It is again 0. In this case, what will happen? It is comes to here and it's going to check this value, swap the value. It is already here only, value equal to 0. Swap the value, end is going to be here. N will comes here. Guys, understand this? But swap start value is not changed. Now again, start value is 0. And again try to swap the values. Now what will happen, guys? Again it is going to be swap. End value comes to here. End values comes to here. Guys, understand? Equal, these are equal, end and start values equal. Guys, after that what will happen, guys? Guys, after that what will happen? So it will comes out here. So we will clearly check it. This condition is going to be false. So that's why it is going to be like this. Guys, I hope you understand this one. Guys, I hope you understand this one. Yes, loop will break, it will comes out. Let's check. See, wait, guys, wait. Guys, I hope you clear this one. Okay, guys. But what will happen after the operation, guys? Guys, after the operation, what will happen after the output? How it will comes? It will comes in this way. Guys, you can see here. I have moved all the zeros to right hand. But here the order I have did I maintain order? Here one first came, second 4 came, second 5 came. Supposed to 5, but it is 4. It's supposed to 3 after that, but it is 5 here. But we are didn't maintain any order. Some questions they will ask you like this, guys. It is the normal one too. We have rotated, we have shifted all the elements to the right side, but we didn't maintain the order. We didn't maintain the order. The question, in that question, they didn't ask you like you supposed to maintain the order, that's fine. But if they may ask you to maintain the order, let's suppose they have given one array like this, 1, 4, 0, 2, 0, 1. So in this case, you have to maintain order in this way, guys. Output supposed to be like this, 1, 4, 2, 1, 0, 0. Here we have maintained the order. You can check the first one, second one, third, and fourth. Guys, this is your assignment question, guys. Try to think and try to solve this question, guys. This is the very easy one only. You just think and try to solve this question. This is assignment, guys. Guys, if you face any issues, now tomorrow I will explain this one. This is very easy one only. Okay, guys. Guys, they may give you some questions. Guys, while I'm after the explain of the binary search, I'm going to give more questions on the binary search. That time you are going to be solve the questions in that way. But as of now, I'm not explained about binary search. I'm explained about just basic 2 pointers. Try to solve using the 2 pointers itself here. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. One important thing I am going to tell you like rotate an array. Guys, what is the difference between reverse an array and rotate an array? Rotate an array and reverse an array. In the reverse means start index like left index going to be right index. Right, guys? But in a rotation, what will happen? Array values may change, like all are like should be in a adjacent positions only like this. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3. Rotation reverse means 3, 2, 1. Guys, but what will happen for the rotation? This is the reverse case, guys. Reverse this one. 1, 2, 3. Let's suppose I want to rotate by one time left. Left rotation. Yes, guys. Left rotation means one thing is going to be left. 2, 3, 1. Guys, you can see it will comes to this position. It will comes to this position. What happened to this position? Here -1 is there? No. So that's why it comes to this position. 2, 3, 1. This is the rotation, guys. This is the reverse. These both are different, guys. Most of the guys will confuse here. Most of the guys will confuse, like if some may ask you to rotate an array, you should not going to be do reverse an array. Most of the guys confuse here. Please don't confuse here. Guys, one thing here, we are going to be implement this one, and after that we can end the session, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to be solve this one. Guys, try to visualize this one. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the array. Yes. Left rotation means, guys, they may give you one left rotation. They may give you like 2. They will give you the specific index. How many times you have to do? Based on the things you have to do. Let's suppose here I am going to do one left rotation, only one left rotation. That means only one value going to be moved to left. Only one value is going to be moved to left. Guys, what will be happen, guys, in this case? 2 will comes to here, 3 will comes to here, 4 will comes to here, 5. Last value will be 1. Guys, understand this one? Let's suppose they may ask you to two indexes rotation, left rotation, 2 indexes left rotation. That means what will happen, guys? 2 index is going to be rotated. The 3 one is going to be comes to here. Guys, understand this one? 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, guys. Guys, how it is happened, guys? Let's suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left rotations you have to do? Means you have to just decrement. I mean, you have to just decrement the that much value. Let's suppose only one rotation means that means 1 is going to be 0, 2 is going to be 1, same way 3 is going to be 2, same way 4 is going to be 3. Let's understand. Let's suppose they may told you like 2 left rotations. That means 2 is going to be 0, 3 is going to be 1, same way 4 is going to be 2. Guys, understand this one? Yes, guys. Guys, you have to check one thing here. If you visualize this one, you can clearly see one thing here. I have given one array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am going to be just reverse this array. Reverse this array. How I am going to be reverse? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, first what I have done? I have done just reverse the array. Reversal operation I have done. Guys, see this what I have done? I have done reverse operation. Then how many times? Let's suppose they have given only one left rotation. Means what you have to do, guys? You have to divide this array into two parts. In that way, the 0 to array length -1 -1. Array length dot, let's check this one. Array length dot -1 dot I. We have to again rotate, I mean reverse this array. And again remaining part is going to be reverse up to end. Guys, this is a little confusing, but try to understand. Guys, after reversal, what will happen? After reverse, what will happen, guys? Year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. And only one value is going to be reversed by 1 itself. Guys, check, guys, this value and what we are expecting here. These values are same or not? Check 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Is this same or not? Guys, we can, yes, we can do another way also, but that is not a optimized solution. I'm just going to leave that solution because that is not the optimized solution. Guys, usually, let's suppose I will tell you the optimized normal solution, then you may understand this one. Guys, just tell me, only one position left shift means what I have to do? There is an array, let's suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one position left means we are going to be swap just move the elements to here. Fifth is going to be moved here, fourth is moved to here, fifth to move to here, and sixth to move to here. What will happen to the second index, guys? This first index. So that's why we are going to be store this first element in a temp. temp is going to be array of 0. When once this entire thing is completed, that means it will come to 5 4 5. Last one 5 4 5 6. The last one is already done moved, right? So we are going to be placed with the temp array, temp value. That means 2. Guys, understand? This is the one approach. This is the approach. But how can we do that? This is only to one index. Only one index. If you want to move, only one index. But if question may ask you like 3 indexes, what you have to do? You have to do the same operation in 3 times. 3 times. That means you have to perform the 3 into n times you have to do. Time complexity will be how we are going to be do. Let's suppose 3 times you have to do int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sorry, 3 times, right? We have to take a 3 times I plus plus. Guys, first time what we have to take? We have to take first element, guys. How we are going to be take first element? Int temp value equal to array of 0. Guys, why we have taken here temp? Because second index value is going to be first index and first index value is going to be moved to the first index. What will happen to the first index? So this value is made last, right? So that's why we are going to be store in a value. We call it as a temp. We are stored in a temp. After that, what we have to do? We have to move every element to the before element I less than array dot length I plus plus. Guys, how I am doing? Just check. You have taken I equal to 0. Why, guys? I have to move the elements to the previous position. Guys, understand how I have done this one? So what you have to do? It has moved all the elements, but the first value is pending. That's supposed to be come to the last position. So that's why what we have take here? We have take a length minus 1 equal to temp. Guys, understand how I have taken this one? Guys, please let me know if you have understand or not. I hope you understand. So this is the first time rotation will happen like that. What we have to do third 3 times. So again 3 times inner loop is going to be run in a 3 times. Outer loop is going to be run in a 3 times. So total will be 3 into n times. 3 n times. But can we achieve the better, optimize the better than this one? Optimization is still possible. How we are going to be optimize this one, guys? In a simple way, we are going to be optimize in a, we are going to be reverse that array, and after that again we have to reverse the array up to some index. Up to what index? 0 to second time, first time all the elements, guys. 0 to end. 0 to end. Second time what we have to do? Reverse up to array length minus 1 minus the, for example, if you want to shift with that n times k times up to that k, we have to rotate, reverse that one, and again there is something is pending, right? What that is? We have done up to 0 to array length minus 3 and minus before come k elements. So we have to reverse the remaining elements. How we are going to be reverse? Kth index to the remaining array dot length minus 1. Guys, what is the time complexity of the second one? Second one time complexity will be 0. I mean O of n plus O of n plus O of n. Totally O of n. Guys, compared to that is the O of, for example, 3 times only, so that's why 3n. Let's suppose they may ask you to n times. In that case, what is the worst case time complexity? O of n square. So that's why this is the better optimization approach. Optimization approach. Guys, here I didn't give you the actual implementation. Why? Because you already know how to reverse the array. You already know how to, this is the indices, guys. You know, right? Initially, this is the start value, this is the end value. In this case, 0 is the start value, this is the end value. In this case, second one, and this is the start value, this is the end value. In this case, this is the start value, this is the end value. I hope you understand, guys. Please let me know. I hope you understand, guys. Guys, try to solve this question by your own. I have already implemented the normal generic approach. I have given you the basic idea about how to solve by optimized approach. This is very important, guys. Reverse this one. This is this type of method we are going to be used in a like a binary search type. Sorry, in a linked list type we are going to be used there. But that is not needed for the Joe. But I'm just telling you. Guys, that's what I'm saying, guys. Sometimes two pointers means not always like start index or not always start index or end index. If this is something, these are not a like not a adjacent elements, we are going to be take while loop. But sometimes what will happen, the start index and end index is going to be adjacent elements. That time no need to take while loop, we can solve by the simple for loop also. Tomorrow I am going to be solve this type of questions, adjacent two pointer type wiggle sort. I call it as a wiggle sort. I'm going to be solve this one tomorrow by using the for loop. That is also two pointers only, but different approach I'm going to solve. And guys, tomorrow I'm going to be explain about very important things, that is binary search, guys. Binary search and fixed. Guys, actually I'm not going to be solve all the, there is a lot of sort algorithm is there, lot of such algorithms there, but this is very very important, guys, and mostly we are going to be use these things only. Guys, here we are going to be explain in a method divide and conquer, and here we are going to be use two pointers. These are very important, guys. That's why two pointers I have explained here. After that, fixed, and based on the different questions will be explained by tomorrow. Based on the binary search, like there may given one array, that is modified binary search related questions. Modified binary search, and some there are the different questions is there. I'm going to be explained tomorrow. Yeah, fixed, and at the time while explaining the fixed also, I'm going to be explain match sort as well. Match sort as well. No need to worry. I will explain. Okay, guys. Today I'm going to be end this session. Guys, do you have any other queries, guys? Guys, one thing, guys, you have to solve as many as questions. I have yesterday I have explained you the basics of the two pointers. Today also I have explained some questions, and try to solve by your own more questions, guys. These are the very basic questions, right? So if you solve the same type of basic questions more in LinkedIn or something, so you will be get some good idea. So you are going to be solve medium questions very easily. Okay, guys. Today I already explained one very important medium level question. That is segregate all the zeros, ones, and twos. And those are, that is like actually medium level question only, guys. Okay, guys. Fine. Tomorrow try to solve the questions by tomorrow. All the questions which I have given you as a assignment, try to solve the questions. I will share this one as well. This all the, I've already solved the questions. I will share this actual code also will share. Okay, guys, fine. Yeah, will do. Yeah, you can ask me now. Why now? You can ask me. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Wait a second. Wait a second. I'm going to be check that one. Yeah, that is one, guys. String. We have to modify the strings or something. That one, right? Put in the yeah, that's one. Yes, this is the question. Is like a. I can say they have given the question like this, guys. Which one? Which helper method? Swap helper method or here reverse swap? That is time complexity of one. That is of one because there is no loop, only single statements only there. So of one. Yeah, okay. I will explain this. No need to. Tell me what is the doubt? Guys, the same question they have given in the some other like second level as well. This one, guys. Here you have to understand one thing. Collection dot swap. What it will do? It is going to be this swap means here. Yes means is that string. These are the two indexes. It is going to be swap. Here it is going to be checks off with the helper method here. It will comes to here. That index s of I. It gives the one index, right? That index is going to be checked whether it is a vowel or not. Vowel or not, it is going to be checked. Vowel or not. Here this method you can see checks method. It is going to be checked. For let's suppose it is hollow, right? HELLO hollow, right? It is a string, right? Hello. Initially it has taken I value as 0 and j value is length minus 1. What is the length, guys? 4. Length 4 value. Here we are it is 2 pointers only. It is checking for I less than j. And now what it is checking? Checks of s of I and s of jj. That means it is going to be checked two elements. What that means? Start in I value and j value. Those values, indexes values are both are vowels or not. Why it is vowels? Because they have given A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. It is going to be checked whether vowel or not. If vowel, both are vowel, initially, guys check this one. H, E, L, L, O. This is the zeroth index. This is the fourth index. I initial here, J here. First it is going, it is what it is doing, it is just checking the values. Okay guys, I will tell you. First, it is checking I value. Checks of I. What is the I value here? Actually, I is the zeroth index, H value. It comes here, it is going to be checked. Either H value is the vowel or not. It's not a vowel, false. It's a false. That's why this is end operator. So it is not going to be checked. Next one, it will comes here. It is checked if whether it is going to be checks of yes I value same here. I value here only, 0 only. It is going to be checked. It is vowel or not vowel. So that's why J minus minus. Sorry, I minus minus. Oh, first it is. They have taken like this. I, if not I, na J minus minus they have done. So question J may come to here. J comes to here. And what will happen, guys? This is the if this is the else case. After that, nothing is there because it won't goes to here, it won't goes to here, it directly comes here. It's going to be check I value is 0 and j value is 3 here. And again I and j value is going to be check here. I value again is going to be check whether it is the vowel or not. It's not a vowel. And again is going to be do here j minus minus. Okay, sorry guys. It is checking, guys. It's not, sorry, I did a mistake, guys. Here it is not equal to, directly is a false, guys. First j value is not going to change here. It is j value only. It is false, it is false, it is false, it comes to here. So I value is going to be increment here, j value comes to here. Yes, that is the strings, guys. This is also strings, but they have using something else here. This is the same thing only, guys. The question they have given like this. HELLO means they want to modify the vowels only, like vowel swap only going to be happen here. This is a question actually, but they have given a twist here, little bit twist, because here going to be checked for the ith index. If ith index value is the vowel, they are going to be change the j value, guys. This is the one. Let's suppose here let's suppose I value here e, it is the vowel, but they are not changing the I value here. Here they are changing the j value. J now it comes to here. J value now comes to here. Guys, understand this one? I value here. Like this they are doing, guys. This thing to get the individual. Yeah, I think this is the base thing. C++, I think. I don't know which this one. But it is the, guys, you have to understand based on the given the names, guys. Here the swap means it is going to be swap the operation. S of I index, S of j index, swap operation is going to be happen. It is not like that. It is actually, even though the question is the wrong, it always gives the value, guys. Something else value. That value we have to write. Here they are usually what we do. If S value is the index, now we are going to be check implement the I value. If J is the vowel, now we are going to be J value, but they have given different. I is the vowel, they are going to be change the J value. J is the vowel, they are going to be change the I value. That is the here tricky thing. Guys, like this, I am going to be solve this one. Wait a second, guys. This is the H, this is the E, this is the L, this is the L in O, is the I1, this is the J1, this is the 0, and this is the 4. Okay. First is going to be check both the things I and J. I and J is checks, but it's already false, so that's why it comes inside, and it comes here, checks of the S of I. Again, it is the false, that's why it comes here. 6 of J, it is again, you can see J value is now checks of S of J. S of J is the O, right? O is the vowel. That's why what they have changed, I value is incremented. So now I value comes here. But J value, that one only. Guys, understand? It is the true. So that's why it goes inside the else. But again, it will comes to here while loop. I less than J is true. Now it will check checks of I. Checks of S of I. This is the vowel. So true. And checks of J vowel is the true. J value is here only. It is the true. What will happen? Swap is happening. How it is happening? Swap. So 0 this one, and this is the I. Guys, understand? Yeah, sorry, this is the E. Okay, guys. Next, what will happen? It comes if condition. Don't go in the else if. And again, it will comes to here. I less than J. It is the true again, because I is at one position, J is at fourth position. Guys, understand? Now what will happen if it's false? Because here, guys, wait a second. Here again, I value and J value is not changed. So that's why again, this is I value is again again it is true vowel guys, true, and J value again true. So that's why it goes to its original positions again. It's O and it's Chi, right? It's Chi and it is Chi LLO. This is the vowel. Guys, here maybe it will turn to the in unlimited times it seems. Right guys? Let's check this one. I hope so. This will turn in the infinite times. Guys, here I and J values is not going to be changed, right? Here you can see. Here you can see every time when it is going to be changed, right? I values came to here and J is in this position. When it comes to here now, every time it is true only. When it is going to be changed, let's suppose if it is false now, then it will comes to check for the if it is false, other will check for the this one. But I and J values is not changed anytime inside if condition. The if condition. Wait guys, I will tell you. Wait guys, let's start. Wait a second, wait. Wait. Try to solve this question, guys. See, you didn't see anything because it is running inside only unlimited, I mean infinite times. That is the problem. Let's suppose I'm stop here and I'm trying to do this one. You can see infinite times. Question has been given wrong, guys. Actually, who find this one really good, guys? You could have asked them because the problem is here. The problem is here. Where is that one? Here they by mistakenly I think so type here j minus minus. They have given. They could have given I minus minus. Sorry, j minus here I plus plus and next one is a j plus plus. That is the wrong actually they have given. Question is wrong. You can see it is turning at the infinite number of times. That is the problem. Okay, guys, who find that one is really good only. Okay, Vasvi, this is the only doubt. You have any other doubts? Okay, guys, fine. I'm ending the session now. Okay, fine.